Imagine giving two people $1 million. 5 years later, one person has doubled their wealth, while the other has almost nothing left. Same money, completely different results. Why? Because becoming wealthy isn't just about money, it's about the way you think. Today I'll show you 5 ways rich people think differently about money. These ideas aren't complicated, but they can completely change how you make financial decisions. Today I'll show you 5 ways rich people think differently about money. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Rich people buy assets first. Imagine you receive a $5,000 bonus. What would you do first? Most people immediately think about buying something they've always wanted. Rich people ask a different question. How can this money make me more money? That's the biggest mindset shift. They buy assets before liabilities. Over time, those assets can help pay for the things they want. They don't avoid spending forever. They simply let their investments work first. Now let's look at the second mindset. Number 2. They think long-term. Most people think about this weekend. Rich people think about the next 10 years. Every financial decision becomes easier when you ask one simple question. Will this help me 5 or 10 years from now? That's why wealthy people are comfortable waiting for results. They understand that wealth usually grows slowly before it grows quickly. Patience isn't exciting, but it's incredibly powerful. The third mindset is where many people get distracted. Number 3. They don't chase every opportunity. Every week, there's a new once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity. Most people chase whatever is popular. Rich people know that not every opportunity deserves their attention. Sometimes, the smartest financial decision is saying no. Instead of chasing excitement, they stay committed to a simple plan. Because consistency usually beats chasing the next big thing. The fourth mindset changes how money works for you. Number 4. They make money work for them. Most people work hard for their money. Rich people eventually build assets that work alongside them. That doesn't happen overnight. It happens one investment, one smart decision at a time. The goal isn't to stop working tomorrow. The goal is to let your money work with you, not just for you to work for money. Finally, the fifth mindset. Number 5. They never stop learning. Here's one thing almost every wealthy person has in common. They never stop learning. Money can be lost. Businesses can fail. Investments can go down. But knowledge stays with you. Every lesson makes your next financial decision a little smarter. That's why learning is one of the best investments you'll ever make. Because the more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. Let's quickly recap the 5 ways rich people think differently. 1. Buy assets first. 2. Think long-term. 3. Don't chase every opportunity. 4. Make your money work alongside you. 5. Never stop learning. If you can develop these habits, you'll be thinking differently from most people, and that's where real change begins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple lessons about building wealth. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. I'll see you in the next video.